Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to restore or replace a broken back cover on Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then remove the back cover. For this, we are using a heating pad. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till heating completes. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. The suction cup is not holding due to severely cracked back cover. Use a sharp tool to create a gap and then insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While pulling out the back cover, make sure to hold the camera lens. Take out the back cover and replace a new back cover on the body. Before that, take off the flash sensor glass from the broken back cover and place it on the new back cover by adding glue. And also verify the edges don't carry broken glass bits. Make sure it is cleaned enough and place the new back cover by removing the protective tapes. And now place the back cover securely and add rubber bands or bonding clips to tighten the body's back cover. Thanks for watching. Please do share, like and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.